Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is Vietnamese lemongrass and garlic baby back ribs. This recipe is quick and easy. If you want to learn how to make it, stay with me and we will get to it soon. So before I marinate my ribs, I'm gonna go ahead and soak my spare ribs in salt water. Then rinse them and dry them on a rack or colander. This particular dish is one of the most common dishes you will find in a Vietnamese restaurant or in a Vietnamese household. I'm using 1/2 cup of lemongrass to marinate my spare ribs, or 2 times of 1/4 cup of lemongrass. Adding in 1 tablespoon of salt or 2 of 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Then add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, add in a tablespoon of paprika and give it a good mix. Add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. Mix the ingredients well into the meat and let it sit for about 15 minutes before cooking. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Heat should be on high. Add in all the spare ribs and pan-seared for a good 5 minutes on each side until they turn golden brown. Just like that. I'm adding in 1/2 cup of water and close the lid. Cook for a good 15 minutes to ensure my spare ribs are cooked completely, and reduce until sauce gets thickened. Garnish with green onion and cilantro, and there your dinner is ready. You can serve with rice and steamed okra. I have to say tomato or cucumber will go really well with this recipe. My mom is on a strict diet, so I need to cook everything light. Try this recipe out. If it's not salty, you can add maaji, a spicy soy sauce. That's it. I hope you enjoy watching my recipe. I told you it's quick and easy. This whole recipe took me less than 30 minutes. Until then, take care. Bye now.